A Money Monday message.
I can wake up in a terrible mood. I can wake up sad. I can ache. I can have a busy day, stress. I will complete the same tasks as if I woke up in a fantastic mood. I'll do the same things because how I feel has no bearing on the things I'm going to do in my day because I have duty to myself and to my bloodline. A lot of you guys out here are acting like fools because you feel like acting like fools. I don't have the motivation to go to the gym. Neither did I. Being a man is about not feeling things. It's about acting the way you're supposed to act regardless of how you feel. Leave the feelings to the girl. That's what they do. We act. We're men of action. We get things done.
Bro, listen, so, yo, I really felt that, man. And that's why I got my boy Leo in the background right now, because I want to clap it up right now for that message. Listen, man, that's what it's really all about. And I wanted one of my first messages of 2023 to be just raw, in your face, real, just like this guy. Like I said, say what you want about Andrew Tate, but I tell you what, he really be spitting that real stuff. Like he really, says some things that we really need to resonate with. Now, I will say one thing. The whole part about females only ones that feel things, I'm gonna let that part, be what it is. But what he's saying about, how we should act as people, I'm not even gonna make this gender specific, but how we should act as people out here trying to make something happen. It doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter what you feel like doing. Feelings ain't got nothing to do with it. It's about actions. It's about getting out here and making it happen. I'm a financial coach, and I tell people this all the time, that when it comes to making decisions about your finances, it may not be fun. It may not be, glamour and glitz. It may not be this, journey that just, is just this fantastic thing. But why does it matter how you feel about it? What matters is getting it done. A lot of people have certain goals for their finances. They have certain, things they're trying to get to happen, but yet they constantly worried about how they feel. I don't feel like doing this. I don't want to do this. It ain't about how you feel. It's about the action. It's about getting it done. So as y'all go into y'all day, this is typically my Money Monday. So it's kind of a twist of my Money Monday and my motivation with Money Mike. But the overall point is still the same. Get out here, get out your feelings, and make some action. Make it happen this year, and let's get to it. And y'all know, I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time, so he's always smiling. So why aren't we? Hey, y'all take care. Make sure y'all like, comment, and share this, and I will see you guys on the next one. God bless you all. Gone.